So today is Cinco de Mayo, but I'm in the Arctic Circle. But I'm not gonna let that stop me from celebrating. So I went to the grocery store and discovered they had a surprisingly pretty extensive Mexican section. So I geared up, got some stuff. So the tricky part of this is actually going to be translating, because even though all the brands are still ones you would find in America and are English on the front, all of the instructions on the back are still Norwegian, which I don't speak or read. I already looked like an idiot in the grocery store going over to every item with my phone out, but now I can do it in the comfort of my own home.